Hey guys, today let's try to fix Messenger share screen no audio. So if you guys would like to go ahead and fix this issue that when you're trying to share your screens on Messenger, you have no audio, of course, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to fix that step by step. So guys, what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Messenger applications and then proceed with calling the specific person that you'd like to go ahead and share your screen to. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the middle icon and then tap on share as well, and then tap on start sharing. Now tap on start broadcast, and then of course it will count from 3 to 1 and allow you to proceed with sharing your screens. Now, once you're done and basically allowed to share your screens, I want you to go ahead and scroll to your control centers and then long press on your screen recording options. Now, what this is going to show you is that your microphone by default will become off. Now, if in the case that you have some issues that your audio is not being shared, once you share your screen, just go ahead and make sure that your microphone is on so that that's going to solve your issue. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and take care.